So if we want to deal with the measurements of dispersion, we want to get a better sense of how far apart our data elements are, the first and most basic measurement that we have is the range, which is just the difference between the high and low values. It tells you how far apart the things are in the broadest sense possible. So for our batteries, for B1, we would end up having a range there of 24 minus 4, or 20. While for the second battery, we would end up having, as we said, a much tighter amount in there, 18 minus 10, or 8, which tells us, again very roughly, that the second battery is a lot more consistent than the first one. But for the same reason the mid-range had issues with outliers, this one also has some issues with outliers. You might have a data set where you have two really weird numbers and a whole bunch of things in the middle where this wouldn't tell you anything meaningful at all. So we want to have something a bit more rigorous, a bit more thoughtful, and that's where we get our big measurement of this section, which is what we call the standard deviation.